people of Kano are in his pocket. Nothing concerns him. So people will be killed in Sokoto. Shehu Shagari died. An yi jana'izar Shehu Shagari. Mutumin nan yana garin nan bai taka ya je Sokoto ba. Colonel Abu Ali, he died in this country. Mutumin nan bai taka ya je ba. They buried him in they brought him all the way from Borno. That was the first time that I saw our military, the whole nation, from Sokoto to Bayelsa, from Borno to Lagos, every part of Nigeria, people were crying. Colonel Abu Ali was a hero that was helping us to fight Boko Haram, dealing with Boko Haram, killing Boko Haram. He was killed in Sokoto. The whole military, the whole Nigeria was crying. They brought him to Abuja to be buried. Muhammad Buhari yana cikin villa. Bai fito ya je wajen nan ba. Few minutes drive. Ko da helicopter ne ba zai 2 minutes ba zai dira abu. He didn't come. The chief of army staff was killed and buried in this Abuja. The president didn't go. Amma tafiyan banza zai ɗauki kafa ya je. If it is election, it is politics, zai ɗauki kafa ya je. Yeah? Zai ɗauki kafa. He will carry his leg and go there. Yawon banza gantali yaɓa. Zai kama wanda aka yi wa kulciya duk zai zagaye duniya na zai ya tafiya. Amma ga nan Sokoto. 2019 na yi video, that video is still there. Kuma an zazzage ni ba irin zagin da ba mun ba. Shugaban kasa Muhammadu Buhari ya je Zamfara state, ya je ya yi campaign a Zamfara. Koya musu jaje, koya musu ta'aziyya. Ya ce musu Allah ya kawo damuna mai albarka, su ci su koshi, duka fitinan da za a yi shi to ga fitinan nan. Uban wake shan wahalan fitinan. ‘Ya'yansa na nan. Ya riga ya seta su, shi kanshi ya seta kanshi, ya seta kan iyalinsa. Duka wanda suke da ko sisi wanda yake yunwa na facaka da su, duk suna nan yanzu su ne manyan Najeriya, su ne da gidaje anyhow, su ne da biliyoyin naira, su ne da wace tsaye. Amma talakan da yake a bar shi ma, talakan a bar shi kawai gonan shi ya je gona, ya yi noman shi, ya samu abin da zai ci, an hana talaka. Da ni da ku yanzu za mu iya siyan data in Allah ya da abin da za mu cin an jima bata gagare mu ba. To akwai wanda yake da safen nan ba su ci ba, jiya sun kwana ba abinci, da safen nan sun tashi ba abinci, da abincin rana ba su ma san inda za su samu abincin rana ba, suna nan ƙasar nan. Suna nan ƙasar nan. Suna cikin wahala kuma gwamnati bata damu da su ba. Is that the kind of life that we want? People are keeping quiet and you're saying you're praying? You're praying? Kun fa annabi addu'a ne? Nace annabi Muhammadu sallallahu alaihi wasallam addu'arsa karbabbiya ce. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his prayers are answered as soon as he makes them. Yet he fought for his right. Yet he prayed and he worked. He never sat down and allowed people bring word to him and then he will go and be praying. Why are you sitting down and doing nothing and say you are praying when you're supposed to be holding Buhari accountable? If another person comes to be president that is from the south, what mouth will you have to talk now that your own person, you're being killed, your people are being killed, your own person is in government and you haven't spoken? What moral justification will you have to speak? Is this about Buhari? Is this about Villa? Is it about state government? Is this about National Assembly? This is about people who are dying. People who do not have money for food. People who are going through so much. People who don't know where they are going to feed the next meal. KC Famicom, you cannot blame the Almajiris. They have been conditioned. That's one of the things we must understand. They have been conditioned. They were denied education. They don't know any better. And people are controlling them. And they do not want them to be emancipated. So that's the reason why I tell people the education that we have is not for us alone. It's not for you and I alone. It's for millions of other people who have not had the privilege of being educated. There's a reason why they tried to not allow people go to school. Have you ever seen Buhari? I even said this thing, even before Buhari became president. Have you ever seen Buhari telling people to send their children to school? Did he ever come out to tell, oh, Almajiri, please go to school, send your children to school, let them get education? He has never done it. Have you seen all of these political bigwigs that you have telling you the children, telling people to send families to send their children to school, ensure that they don't, because they need the people to be uneducated. Stephen Biko said that the greatest weapon of the oppressor is the minds of the oppressed. If you're able to have the minds of the oppressed, what happens is that you can control them how you want. So that's what is happening. So when you see that Almaji, don't blame him or her. He doesn't know any better. He was not given education. You and I, if we were not educated, we might have even done worse. So there is a need. Nothing like this. This silence is not going to work anyhow. By now, Yakamata Ache, is it how many states? 20, whatever states that are in the north. By now, there should be protests all throughout. There should be protests all around. People should, but that's the language that the government listens to. You will say that, oh, Lagos State, people have been killed in Lagos State, government has done statements, people. Yes, because they will protest. They will come out on the streets. You have refused to come out on the streets, so government won't do anything. There is a need for, I'm going to stop this because I have certain calls that are coming in. I need to pick them. There is a need for a protest around the whole northern state. The southern voices that used to make demands on social media, that used to come out, you people, they have been insulted. You've attacked them, so now they are saying that, oh, no problem. They will just leave the whole issue. People are being killed more. There is a need. People must come out. Udan kuka yi shiru, wallahi za a ci gaba da kashe-kashe ne, ba abin da ya shafi kowa, ba abin da ya shafi Buhari. Gashi dan an kashe mutane wajen nawa, an kona mutane kurmus. Dan ada kamar an kona su a Sokoto. Ga Buhari zai je Lagos, wai zai je book lunch takarda ne, wani dan za a lunch na takarda zai je, amma ba abin da ya shafe shi da rayukan mutane. Kila mutane na ma suna cikin wanda suka zabe shi, amma lokacin da yake neman zabe yana nan yana ta yawo, yana roƙon mutane. Amma yanzu ko bai damu da mutane ba. It's left. There are two things. And then this issue of Almajiri, we need to start something. We all need to start something. We all need to put our hands together. We need to begin to train them on jobs. Train them to, Nigeria needs plumbers. Nigeria needs artisans. Train them to do things. These are young people. They are talented. I've lived in the north. The north have a lot of intelligent and talented people. They might not have power to be doing things, but they are crafty, they are innovative, they can innovate a lot of things. If you have ever gone to Panteka, they can create things. Let's train them. Train them as